Hi, my name is David Schwartz, and I am the founder of We Are Lions. I started getting into t-shirts in high school, selling my ideas and sketches to friends through t-shirts, but that really did not work. So I was in Starbucks one day, and I saw a painting done by an adult with special needs. And I called the organization that this artist belonged to, The Arts of Life, and I called them telling them my idea of putting this piece of artwork on a t-shirt and helping raise money for The Arts of Life. And they embraced it, and we got to work right away. I get the artwork from either paintings or drawings. And a painting is taking a picture with a high-resolution camera, and I design the t-shirt and send it on to a t-shirt printer, and they create the shirt either dye sublimated or silk screened, and then they send it back to me. I get these t-shirts from California. These are dye sublimated. The design is designed all over, and it's a bit of a difficult process to do, but I found a really nice guy who really appreciates what We Are Lions stands for, and it's been a great experience. A portion of the profits are donated to the organization in which the artist belongs to. So if I get a painting from The Arts of Life and I sell a t-shirt with The Arts of Life painting on it, I will give the proceeds to The Arts of Life. This t-shirt was done at a philanthropy event for my fraternity, ZBT, and that was benefiting the Friendship Circle. So a portion of the profits for these t-shirts will go to the Friendship Circle. So one way to try to get We Are Lions' name out there is by talking to celebrities. And I've given a t-shirt to Common when he spoke at U of I. He's a Chicago rapper. I've also given a t-shirt to Asher Roth, a rapper, public figure, and I've been trying to work with famous people to try to get autism awareness, special needs awareness. I see We Are Lions in the future working with many different organizations, helping out as many people as possible, and having an appreciative audience and customer base, and really have a fans. So We Are Lions is not only a t-shirt brand, but it's philanthropy, and we are trying to help as many people as possible. And anytime you buy a t-shirt, you will be benefiting an individual with special needs and those who are affected by it. My name is David Schwartz, and I am We Are Lions. Roar loud.